What 9 months is a long time. What? I don't give me a care.
Monkey.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know, so this is your girl Tyra, and I'm back again with another video. Now, judging from the title and the thumbnail, you don't know what going on. It's a story time of when I was pregnant when I was 14. Now, before we get into this video, I would like you to go over to my IG page and follow me at Bianca_everbliss. Go over to my TikTok. Follow me at Bianca Entertainment on TikTok. You don't know, say Tyra Francis, my name, pan FB. So I just go over to the social media account them and follow me. Yeah? I beg you to drop a like on the video as I watch it. Yeah? Leave a comment. Leave more than one comment. Just do it! Now this story is not to encourage young girls to get pregnant at 14 or even be having sex at 14, understand? But I would like to share my story so young girls or young teenagers can pick sense out of nonsense, or maybe pick a little mistake that I made out of my story and make it right, you understand? Stay in a school and make your mother proud, you understand? Because guess what, man are always there and sex are always there. So my word to you is make sure say we're not taking education, stay in a school, you understand? Now let's get into the video. Anyway, I was working. Yeah. So I met this guy when I was working. I met the guy, my mother, but didn't have a stepfather. Mother never style, right? I have a stepfather, they have a best friend, which is a local best friend. They didn't even know how him cute so, and I didn't even know how film items so dreamy, and I didn't even know how him just humble, and you know when they pick me and feel like say yeah, you're a big woman, you have to do the right thing, you know everything. When you're doing nothing.
How when you're 14, you know nothing, you know experience.
So, this guy been coming, and I'm like, okay, I like you. There you go. Like, let me show you. Like, I like you. I realize, you want more past my look. And me alone like, you must be mad. You think yeah mad? I know me alone like. You like me? Come and watch me. So from me watch me as a local eat that has baby. You like me too. So I say yeah, him like me too. You might watch me, you pass my watch me. Boy, you don't know what's going on now. We start pass all the one time if I pass, I go pass 2 and 3 times, I'm not going to do nothing just a pass. Yeah. Okay, good boy, watch me. I feel hot. Listen to me now, man. Don't listen to me. I feel hype. I feel hot. Yeah. Couple weeks or days or whatever run off, and all of a sudden we are friends. We start talk. Cause I'm a sell now. Every time him come, I allow my mother to sell. I the stall keeper. Yeah. 1 Guineas. Gonna sell 1 Guineas anyway. Every night DM start come now. We are friends now. Yeah, we start have conversation. Girl, when 14 know if you have conversation. You know nothing. Do you know anything? Just feel like maybe you're good. Anyway, we start talking and realize him like me. Girl, you know what I know? birthday come and why carry all silver earring, silver chain, silver chaparita, silver watch, silver ring. Hold on. But me know say I'm a boyfriend. Me never know say I'm my boyfriend. Cause if me did not say I'm my boyfriend, me say when the boy carry the all in silver come give me feel like a big body black girl. What me say?
Me feel like a big body black girl. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Straight, my hype. I'm a boyfriend now. Yeah, yo. So me I say, yeah. Boy like me. I mean like him back. So as long as baby, you know you get it edit and anything when your mother tell you say in at the time that you feel like say you know everything. But one thing with my mother, my mother is like my sister. They kind of article like that, like my mother. Everybody would want to have a mother like my mother. So look at she just sit, look us talk, speak, spoke, we're going on. When she look, she say, so she say, wait, this look like something I'm going. So she come to one day and say, look here, we can't stop it from our sex, you know, because when down and pit down and get eaten, nobody can tell me nothing. So you are one. You say to me, don't want a grand penny. Me have to show you how to put on the condom. And she get want to go roll on back up. And she roll on it something. She pull it something and roll it down. And I look, you know. Because you know them time there, no man. Your brain young. So your brain just open flaring. And I look and I say, yeah, I say you do it. And when I really say it to her, you know, I say you do it. And I say, what? Oh, I'm afraid, you know. I'm afraid to come here. If you really like me, I really just, you know. Right, girl, we are silver them go school. Right, where we are silver them go school. Teacher tell I where if you take our silver, I where take our silver them, put it in our bag, and somebody take our where things them because you tune off. You get key in the keg on school. But anyway, silver gone. My ball and sit in the car, my number one boyfriend. Tell him to then see sitting. I'm telling him. I'm coming late, I'm telling him. I say, yo, we can't find some of them. I'm sorry, I don't want to go that man. That's cute. Anyway, but 1 week after, I get the same thing there when I go. Look at you. I feel like a bigger body black girl. Look at them in a gold. What you say now?
Bring stalk, so. All of a sudden, after me I walk.
You gotta get hype. So me I say, wow. This look like the boy like me for true. You know, you look like him like me for true. Every night he call me late and whatever, yes, come at talk, or if it talk about so much, I don't know. If I can tell one of the conversation right now, I can't recall. You know why? Me that you're not going to me deaf. What did I hear? Because you know me in love. Me in love, we love the boy like she is. You say, boyfriend not what? You don't know, so one night, no, all of a sudden, we got the gate and we're talking. All of a sudden, we see Mass Jam gate. I say, what is now? So boom bang, cut long story short. Although I don't know I'm cutting long story short because I really want to get a story, especially you in the car, yeah. Yeah, kill me for that story, yeah. So we decided to look at something could go on and boom bang, things happen. But the things look happening now, me feel like me big now. So I say, oi, me know how to roll on something, I need to make me do it. One of the something for the back. Start do look at something now. So girl, you don't know the condom bus. I mean, I know. Because guess what? She showed me how to roll on the condom, but she never showed me how to know when it bust. So the condom bust, I know, but if never know me, never know. So, when everything done now, when you look, condom break. Condom break. Girl 14, girl ripe. What do you think happened? I don't know what happened yet. I don't know what happened yet, you know. Because good girls still have their period. Period come 2 months after. So, everything good, very. But you don't know what, the third month, good girls start eat beer plum. Anywhere the plum tree there, I find it. Anywhere the plum tree there, I find it. What do you say? Cherry, green, anything green, young, tastes good. Yeah. So every day when anybody look up where they maybe send them. I say, well, look on the plum tree up there so it's full. Pick some plum can come, plum. My mother see me eat beer plum now. No, the mother that I have, she not rough. She not gonna beat him. But she could tell her the truth. The love her more, hate her more, but I could tell her the truth. So one day she come and she gave me a call like a boy. Come, look how much plum. I said, pick something. I look one small plum, one shred of plum. Good. Good to come and say, I want. No man, you eat too much green plum. So when she take plum from me, I don't know, the plum not have no seed to hold the plum green, it not have no seed, it not have the little stick up something them. With the pan the seed, it not have that. So she said, no man, Jesus Christ, where you gonna do? I said, me not do nothing but it uses something, but it roll on it, but when time we done it did both. So you never tell me that. Have a bad pregnancy. Look at my pregnancy test. Pregnancy test come back positive. Double stroke. Oh, I got to know. I'm play. I mean, no one that you know, but through me young and feel like say, me at me one man. Me feel like big body by the head. Me feel like big body by the head. So me one man. So you know one man came in. Next month belly start grow. 4 months belly get have it. You want to say, Mama, good girl belly used to touch, good girl back you know. Belly used to touch my back. When I look. That's the one could rise in right so I said, whoa, book. But never sign up. But never go in at the receipt book and sign up for this. What? Next month, belly will grow bigger. 6 months, I can't see me too. If I use glass, look at me for JJ. If I lose glass, look at me for JJ. Tell me which part of that you like. Because I don't like no part of it. You can't see my toe. Girl belly big, see? So I said, boy, this one never want me sign up for. I never sign up for this. Me never sign up for this. But anyway, it come and you have to deal with it. Yeah. It is like a big money, you do what big people do. And things come down, so you have to deal with it. But anyway, my mother did upset at one time, but then she said, yo, what I could do again? What I could do? We can't do nothing. Anyway, baby father mother find out me pregnant now. Baby father mother say, I can't make my husband know. He might kill me. I can't tell him say my son breathes his body. I forgot to do something about it. Because then I'm gonna come, I want to call doctor and do away with it. Yeah man, send the money come. Good send the money come. Yes, good send the money come. Look where you see. She send the money come. Me and guys take the money in half. So I say, yeah, because me know when me I do with my half. I go shop till me drop. At the time then, you got 14, you know, so you're crying to me. Anyway, split the money and whatever. And the woman, husband dead, and my son should find out that the baby still there. But the baby still there, I know. But we're afraid now to tell her that the baby still there. But after the husband did know, I said it's okay. So he tell her the baby there. And she said, yes, and make her back and she's excited. She's excited. Anyway, 9 months come now. And me can't see the baby born. Me get date of baby the November the 12th. November 12 past 13, 14. No baby, no pain, no nothing. My mother, she frightened too, you know. My mother popped me about 5 times in me. If they say in my belly, if gas take me, my mother popped me and send me to the hospital. If I don't drink no tea and gas take me, my mother pop me up. Carry me to the hospital. You ready to have baby now? She have baby. She have baby. Nurse, come. I'm back at excitement. You know my, no mother. I don't need to know my mother. I have a video with her sometime when I didn't say. I understand. Yeah. The excitement on hospital. Good year, I ready for a baby now. Good year, baby. Overdue. 15th of November come. No baby. Them send back go to the hospital. Come back to the hospital now. She said, no. It's supposed to be a long time. We have to clean. And she calmed down and clean. And she packed me. She still packed the bath and just something and things. We want to see. I want to be good idiot. Don't have to make with bath. And baby bag and something. So the nurse said, no man, your date was the 12th, blah blah blah. And nurse said, okay, I'm gonna give you to the 15th, to the 12th of December. 12th of December come. Yeah, still sit down up with the big belly. Can't see her toe. Can't see her JJ. So annoying. The mother with me have an old friend. Good girl pop me again. She pop me again. I can't be done at the clinic. The clinic right had letter now. I decided that if not send me back home something wrong. What one? What one? 9 months is a long time. What? I don't give me a care. So they write my local letter and send me to the hospital. Much as they never want to admit me, then they have to admit me. Good girl in a belly. I don't want to come out. Good girl comfortable. Yeah, comfortable. So, we don't need the 12. The 12 was the Wednesday. Tuesday. Yes, because the Tuesday was the clinic. So go down to the 12. Wednesday, no baby. Thursday, no baby. Friday, no. One doctor come and say, no. This baby was supposed to be you did it, baby. And we need to sit on pain. I'm going to call my mother and say, they said I'm going to sit on pain for me. What that mean? Oh, they're going to induce labor. That's when they're going to cut me. Cut me. They're going to cut me. Because I'm going to induce labor now. So me, stupid. You know you're fool when you're 14. Think you know everything. So me think the man cut me down, so me start bawling. Me I say, no, they can't cut me. So the nurse come and I put on one drip on me. So me as a nurse, what is that? Come I think I put me to sleep now. And I said, this is to induce the pain. So when you induce the pain, so your arm are forced to be with your body, you understand? Anyway, with the one I drip. And knowing me love walk. Me can't stay one place too long. Me can't sit down in the bed for 24 hours. You know which hospital bed? You must see mad. So me up and down with the drip. Me walk with the walk with the drip and the big belly. Friend them a carry soup and basics come give me and I said, big and curvy to you. Anyway, they didn't know but let me see. But after 2 in the day, about 20 minutes past 2, you come at me and someone I made go so pow. It's a me and someone go so pow, me feel what I'm better bottom drop out. Me like I'm a bottom when I'm in a spot everywhere. It's a drop out. So me I say, nurse, be Bianca. You know what I'm saying? Nurse, bring me around the labor room now and test me. Miss Francis, you're only at 3 centimeters. Mr. Nurse, what do you mean by 3 centimeters? She said you need to go at 10 centimeters before the baby ready to come. Mrs. So I have to wait 7 more. She said, yes, Mrs. Francis. So you need to go in the wheelchair. Mr. You're not killing me now. From here to some bus I just feel pain. I can feel everything I drop out there. The whole of the bottom half here. I drop out. So me I said, Jesus Christ, we're not the bed no one. Me and I walk up and again. Time to stay your post. Goods. Listen to me now, man. Time to stay your post. We are going to walk on pain a kilo. So me did then. After 3, still up here pain. 4, 5. Me as a nurse. It's a get more intense. Come, the baby ready. Pack up my bath ready. Should be now something girl. Now I reach the girl at the labor room. Miss Francis, you're only at 6 centimeters. I only got 3 after I feel 3 times the pain what I feel before. Like 3. So they push me back around now so I have a beer. So 3 times 3, you know man. So Jesus Christ. After 5, after 6. As a nurse, the baby come. The baby come, nurse come, baby. When the woman examine me, you don't know what happened. Once I'm there 8 centimeters. I said, Miss, you don't know what you do. So me go they go call one of the nurse and say, Miss, baby come and the nurse tell me there 8 centimeters. Miss Francis, if the nurse you're there 8 centimeters, you're there 8 centimeters. Go to your bed. Go to your yes, so one of the people saw me, I feel pain on me, I say, oh, no, I do this, oh, my mother, my father, me call her, my father, we don't know. The papa, I don't know. Anyway, I never must see this blink back at me, this time I look a cool and for cool me down when me another ring like that, anyway. Good. You know what I'm saying? A couple minutes past 7 now. Good girl still at 8 p.m. And we go around there. Then I say, she's 9.5, 9 3/4, 9 something. No, let's just sit down right there. And blah blah blah. And she then put up on the seat now, you know, remember that right there. So sit down on the seat. I want to do this. Go down the toilet. Yes, Miss Francis, come. You cannot use the toilet right now. And I said, what want to do? No, you have the baby in the bathroom and the baby will die. And I said, so for do. On camera, the baby room now. Finally, think the pain started. The woman said, well, let's put them in there and push. And the way I find that strength from at 14 years old, you better push because you got trouble in a trouble. You must say better don't. So me I push. I'm not feeling a break and me I push. I don't go for a prayer. You want my mother to do one ball with me, I'm not cash it, me a ball in there, you know. And then create a word by exit. Jesus! I next thing to that. I swear. But when you have the baby, it's a big gutful pain. But me I say, yo, me ball. I start Psalms 23 about 500 times and all. No, I don't done it. Every time the pain, I don't remember which part I reach. I have to start over back again. Coming 20 minutes to 8. Baby born. So I mean look up, so I mean look at my phone up, so I mean look up, so I said no, so I start the baby, so I not hear no balling, so I say, I want to go on. Tired and not good, I want to sleep. I start the baby, I'm not hear no balling. So the woman say, you stop and look up. I'm being ball out, I'm just dropping down. I'm going to sleep. When me wake up, no, the wake me past say, yo, time to go to bed. Corona, I some baby and them said the baby has to eat another something and them clean him up and baby. The baby don't give me no one. I say, baby, good girl, baby. Yeah, no, what's going now? Baby father, mother, send a photo man to come take picture of the baby. Yo, me I go link the picture them right there so. You want to see me? Jericho's here. Girl, well, Jericho. I see me here. And what is? I feel special. I mean, I don't want to have somebody will come and ask me to come take me a picture. But it's Mr. Car food. Me have cameraman. Damn! I want one. Let me before they come now. Yeah. Look, and then 10 finger and then 10 to 1. But the van is alright. Time to go home now. Good. I not tell about the KFC and a whole about some of them where them give me if you eat before me go in a labor. Goody, you see, when me have the baby, nothing gonna fill my belly. Let me say, nothing gonna fill my belly. Me eat up everything. Still gonna canteen for food. All those of them eat hospital food. Me eat hospital food. Come, me did when me have go home time now we reach home and the little pin in there, I cry and I kick up. And that's why I said, it's all rude, little Rudy. I'm very used to that the neighbor stick pan. Our nickname was Rudy, understand? So, he was here for her all along. I'm still there for her throughout her life. I'm always there. I'm always playing local part. And when I'm not there, my mother play a film part, you understand? Even now, them have her from she like 2 years old. My mother call me up and say, hey, guess what? I needed to send that baby to me, girl. I'm like, okay then. That baby is gonna be a great baby. Alright, let's send her. So we'll send her and she's now 20 years old. A great brilliant little girl, and I'm like, okay then. Guys, I was so happy to have that little baby. When my grandmother seen to her now, she was like away, you know. But if you look at holiday or so, they will send me her and you know. And them play a part in our life. Them almost father them not tell them mother nothing. Even if the mother would help out, them not tell them mother nothing. Some mother them know and them just still not do nothing. And never give up. You see me? But because they get pregnant and you feel like say, oh, because after me have baby, I start to work at Women's Center. I go work at Women's Center, I pass with Marcus. But you can't give up now because you have one baby young. You have to just know say, so it thing go. You pass the rest and that's how it thing go. You see me? Listen to me no man. Stay in a school. If an online class, I leave her to say 40 because I know enough one have sense. So, you want me to say, it's a little time I want to take, I want to have as a kid. Just continue to be a kid, because you see when you're forced ripe and grow up before time and do things where adult people alone supposed to do, trust me, you're gonna feel it at the end. You might not feel it when you just start or in the midlife, but you're gonna feel it. So stay in school, obey your mother, online class, don't miss it, and make sure it's safe. We're not doing the best, you understand? That was the end of my video. If you want a part 2 on this video, be sure to leave it in the comment section and make sure to like up the video. Like up the video. Remember to like the video, leave more than one comment, and if you make it to the end of this video, I like if you type cute baby girl, yeah, type cute baby girl if you reach this far in the video, so we can know you watch to the end. So you don't know, this is the girl Tyra. Have a great weekend. You don't know, I'm out.